kanan.
Hello TripAdvisor, I will love to rate this place. So the cell is convenient, the toilets are a bit dirty, but the hosts are really welcoming. Here are the lovely toilets, the good toilets, and around the toilets it's also the toilets. Here it's the garbage area, and here we have the bed. And yeah, we got food delivery. Yeah, hot chicks around, friends coming.
They mean us.
I don't know what we're gonna do. Probably create our own gang, get some tattoos. We are gonna be the best jump gang members of this jail. Do you think we should do push-ups to look badass, like in movies? Maybe. Yeah.
X gon' give it to you. Fuck, wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to you. Knock, knock, open up the door and sprint.
And we met some friends in the next cell. The only part that I didn't really like is when this guy came in our cell to shit on the floor because he couldn't shit in his cell. I'm getting used to the smell, it's okay.
Shit on your floor.
Yeah. It's like 5'10", the best pillow you can have in jail. Hey Ivo, can I get sponsored with that? Yeah, kids, don't go in Philippine jails because Philippine jails sucks.
Very clean.
Yeah, I mean...